What's up, everybody? I'm gonna teach you how to make a fly on a budget. All this. So I picked up some yarn from the dollar store. This will be my body, more than likely. And then, so that was $1. Got some feathers, also from the dollar store, also $1. And then some foil shreds, $1. Then I went to Bass Pro and got my vise, my bobbin, hackle pliers, and some scissors and all the other stuff you need. I'm a little new to this, so give me a break if I mess up a little bit. But if you see something I'm doing wrong, please let me know in the comments and teach me. I'm trying to learn how to do this a little bit better and try to teach you guys have a little fun while I'm doing it. So let's get started. Alright, first I want to start off by getting a base layer down. Alright, get off that extra. Now I'm going to put on the wings. Alright, now I'm going to start off with putting a little sparkle on there. This is the wings. I've never done this before, so we'll see how it turns out. Just do that. We're just going to try to wrap it up real good. Good enough. Alright, give it some feathers. So we got the feathers, and then we have the sparkles, and I think we're gonna just put on this little yarn for the head. Now we're gonna finish it off with a whip. If you guys have any techniques to do the whip, please tell me, because I am struggling with that without the tool. But I'm gonna trim that off. Now let's trim up the yarn. Get that, and let's trim up this to about, alright, there. Alright, let's look at it now. So this is the Alright, so this is the finished product. It actually doesn't look too bad for dollar store stuff. I mean, the body itself, if I use the stuff at Bass Pro, that was like $5. That's $1. And then the yarn, I think that was around $8 for a whole pack of it. And then the feathers, I don't know, it kind of varied between like 5 and 20, I don't know, I got up to $20 or so. And then the little sparkles, I saw that for around 5 or 6. So I mean, you're saving a bunch of money, and I guarantee you they'll catch a fish. I'll go try it out in the spring, but you know. But yeah, I normally don't make this big of flies. It was kind of for demonstration purposes. Tell me how you like the fly, and yeah, let me know any things I can improve on, because I'm still learning with you guys. But I'll also be doing a review on the thing I bought at Bass Pro, or the whole kit for time flies, up in the future. So I'll see you guys later.